So what's up guys, in today's video I'm gonna teach you guys exactly how to withdraw from the Anchor. Okay, from your Anchor account. I'm gonna teach you in this video exactly how I can withdraw. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your menu. Once you click on menu, you go to here where it says profile. Click on your profile. Once it loads up, you're gonna see here where it says primary account. I already have my account connected to the Anchor account, to the Anchor platform. So you also see add account, so you just click on add account. Let me say I want to click I want to add an account. Then I'll just select bank, select my bank, then put in my account number, blah blah blah. Once I do that, I'll just click on here where it says validate account. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. It says invalid account number because I didn't put in anything valid right there, so that's just for the tutorial. So once you validate your account, once you click on validate account, the next thing you want to do is click on where it says withdrawal. Okay, once you click on withdrawal, please pay close attention because this is where people get confused a lot. Once you click on withdrawal, it will tell you $0, and you can see down here it says you have 5.6 available. Now let me explain something to you guys. Let's go to our dashboard a little bit. You can see my dashboard, it says all time earning $30.60. That is 30,600, and the ACH cash it says $15. Okay, now my sales commission it says 5.6. Now I in this part I can only withdraw my sales commission right here, and for the ACH cash you can withdraw it, but you can't withdraw it now. Okay, the only time I can withdraw your ACH cash is 20th of every month. 20th of every month, that's when you can withdraw your ACH cash. And I'm gonna show you a timetable when you can withdraw. Okay, now you can see for the silver and pro package it says sales commission Nigeria days Monday and Thursdays. That means that for the sales commission for the silver and pro package, you can only withdraw them on Mondays and Thursdays, and the minimum withdrawal is $10, and the time that you can withdraw is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. That is if you have referred someone and you earned a commission from the person you referred. Okay, don't get confused, please. Now you can see the second package, daily grinding pro package, you say automate system priority, usually a priority because pro users are placed first. You see why you need to register as a pro user rather than a silver user. This is what you stand to gain. And for the pro users, you say that your ACH cash you can withdraw it once it gets to $48, and you can only withdraw it, just like I said, you can only withdraw it 20th of every month. That is when you can withdraw it. And here where it says play for cash withdrawals, you can see it says manual application system days 20th monthly minimum eligibility. It says $30, so you just 30,000 naira. Now for the TikTok watch view, this is where most people are waiting for me to talk about. Luckily on Anchor, TikTok watch views rewards are every day. Number one, daily best video $1.5, which is 1,500 naira, just as you all know. Okay, and they say weekly selected 1k views and above videos and $10, which is 10,000 naira paid immediately. Okay, and number three, accumulated monthly minimum $30 can be converted days 30th monthly. You can see right here. And here is the fun part again for the Squid Game days second and last Saturdays monthly, and you can earn 50,000 naira paid immediately to the last man standing. Now this is how the Squid Games work. Your Squid Game means I want to teach you guys something. You click on Squid Games. Once you click on Squid Game, you're gonna see all this. Yes, I'm in. Now you can see it says team red, team blue, team white, and team green. What happens is the creator of Anchor, they put 1,000 person per team, 1,000 person per team, and this is how this thing works. For each team that contains 1,000 persons, what will happen is what will happen is you kick out your fellow partner, you kick them out. That means the last man standing is gonna be the one to earn the money. That's how it works. That's how the Squid Game works on Anchor. Okay, That's why I say this is very very fun. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how you can withdraw. This is how you can make money, and this is how you can withdraw. Here, mine it says 5.6 available. Now, for me to withdraw this money, I still need to refer one more person before I can withdraw this money to my bank account. That's how it works. Okay, so this is just a normal tutorial, and if you like the way I just explained this thing, please don't forget to like and please subscribe to this channel, because I have a very very detailed video on Anchor that is kind of secretive. No one talks about it. Like a very very detailed video that will teach you guys how you can make money on Anchor. No one has ever talked about it on YouTube and even on TikTok. Okay, so if you want to be the first to watch the video when I drop it, just make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications, so that I'll be the first to watch and the first to implement, and as well the first to earn money. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.